No, there's no B.
What about C?
No, there's no C. He's got his hand at least.
What about L?
No. Oh. Okay guys, it's Community Fire Safety, Halloween and Bonfire night. I'm glad you're both here. You've been given a job to do. And I think you two are the best for it. Never mind what's going on out there, you can see them flying about. It's Community Fire Safety.
Okay.
Halloween and Bonfire night. Can you do it?
Yeah.
Get to work.
When choosing or making a costume, avoid billowing or long trailing fabric and make sure it's flame retardant. Keep an eye on children at all times when around lit candles. Teach children how to stop, drop and roll if their clothing catches fire. Keep flowing items like fake hair and capes away from candles and other flames. If your child is wearing a mask, make sure the eye holes are large enough so they can see clearly. Use a torch or battery candles in pumpkins rather than candles. Always light sparklers one at a time and wear gloves. Don't give sparklers to under 5s. Don't let children run with sparklers and get them to hold them at arm's length away from other people. Once a sparkler has burned out, plunge it hot end down in a bucket of water, as sparklers can stay hot for a very long time. Always light a bonfire in an open area. Keep a bucket of water or a garden hose close by in case of an emergency. Don't leave the bonfire unattended. Keep children and pets away from the bonfire. Don't throw fireworks into a bonfire. Once the bonfire has died down, spray the embers with water to prevent it reigniting. And finally, have a great Halloween and bonfire night.